Section formula. This section formula is used to find the coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joining two given points in a given ratio. So let section formula. This formula is used to find out the coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joining two given points in a given ratio. So let A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 be two given points, and point P with coordinates xy divides the line segment AB in the ratio of m1 is to m2. That is, PA by PB is equal to m1 is to m2. PA by PB is equal to m1 by m2. We have to find the coordinates of this point P xy in terms of coordinates, given coordinates x1 y1, x2 y2 and given ratio m1 is to m2. So to find the values of x and y, which are coordinates of point P dividing line segment AB in the ratio of m1 is to m2 internally, AR is drawn perpendicular on x-axis, PQ drawn perpendicular on x-axis and BS also drawn perpendicular on x-axis. AR, PQ and BS are perpendicular to x-axis, so they will be parallel, because perpendicular lines drawn to the same line are parallel to one another. AC is drawn perpendicular from A on PQ and PT is drawn perpendicular from P on BS. So AC and PT are also perpendicular because AR, PQ and BS, they are parallel. So AC is perpendicular on PQ and PT is perpendicular on BS, but PQ and BS are parallel. So perpendiculars on the same line are lines perpendicular to the parallel lines are always parallel to one another. So this way AC and PT will be parallel. Coordinates of point A are x1 y1. So OR is distance of point A on x-axis, so OR is x1. Coordinates of point P are xy, so OQ is x1 and PQ, OQ is x and PQ is y. Coordinates of point B are x2 y2, so OS is x2 and BS is y2. Distance on x-axis is x2, that is OS is equal to x2, and distance of point B on y-axis BS, that is y2. So here system is rectangular, therefore AC is equal to RQ, PT is equal to QS, PC is equal to PQ minus CQ, CQ equal to AR, and similarly TS is equal to PQ. So from here AC is equal to RQ and RQ is equal to OQ minus OR, OQ minus OR. OQ is X and OR is X1. So x minus x1. PC is equal to PQ minus CQ. PQ minus CQ equal to PQ minus CQ is equal to AR. So AR. PQ is Y and AR is Y1. So Y minus Y1. Now PT. PT is equal to QS and QS is equal to OS minus OQ. So X2 minus X. BT is equal to BS minus TS. BS minus TS equal to BS minus TS is equal to PQ. So PQ, BS is Y2 and PQ is Y. So Y2 minus Y. Now this right triangle PAC and BTP. PCA and triangle BTP. We have angle PCA is equal to angle BTP. BTP 90 degree each. Angle PAC equal to angle BPT, corresponding angles. Because AC is parallel to PT and AB is transversal, so angle PAC is equal to angle BPT, corresponding angle. So these two angles are equal in triangle PCA and triangle BTP. Therefore, triangle PCA is similar to triangle BTP by angle similarity. So PA by PB is equal to AC by PT is equal to AC PC by BT, because corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. So corresponding sides are proportional. This implies PA by PB equal to M1 by M2. AC by PT, X minus X1 by PT, X2 minus X equal to Y minus Y1 by Y2 minus Y. Now taking m1 by m2 equal to x minus x1 by x2 minus x, and solving this equation we get x equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and by taking m1 by m2 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y, and solving this equation we get y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Hence, the coordinates of the point P x comma y, which divides the line segment joining the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 internally in the ratio m1 is to m2 are m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. If the point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio of k is to 1, then the coordinates of point P will be kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. If the point P x comma y divides the line segment AB in the ratio k is to 1, then the coordinates of point P will be kx2 plus x1 by k plus 1, ky2 plus y1 by k plus 1. The midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio of 1 is to 1. Therefore, the coordinates of midpoint P of a line segment joining points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2 is given by 1 x2 plus 1 x1 by 1 plus 1, 1 y2 plus 1 y1 by 1 plus 1, which is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 is the coordinates of the midpoint of line segment joining points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. Now one question. Find the coordinates of a point which divides the line segment joining the points 4, -3 and 8, 5 internally in the ratio of 3:1. Let the first point be A 4, -3 and we may consider it to be x1 y1, and second point be B 8, 5 and we may consider it to be second point with coordinates x2 y2, and given ratio m1 is to m2 is equal to 3:1. Let P x, y be the required point which divides the line segment joining two given points 4, -3 and 8, -5 internally in the ratio of 3:1. So using section formula, we get x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 equal to 3 into 8 plus 1 into 4 by 3 plus 1 4. 3 8 is 24 plus 4 28 by 4 equal to 7, and y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2 equal to 3 into 5 plus 1 into -3 divided by 3 plus 1 m1 plus m2. 3 5 is 15 minus 3 12 by 4 equal to 3. Therefore 7, 3 is the required point which divides the line segment joining two given points 4, -3 and 8, 5 internally in the ratio of 3:1.